I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make apple pie dough by hand. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Also, have 1 cup of very cold, unsalted butter, cut into small pieces, and about 1/2 cup of ice water on hand. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's combine our dry ingredients. Take your large mixing bowl and add the 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Next, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Use a whisk to thoroughly combine these ingredients. This step ensures that the salt and sugar are evenly distributed throughout the flour, which is crucial for a balanced flavor in your pie crust. Next, it's time to incorporate the cold butter. Take your 1 cup of very cold, unsalted butter, which you've already cut into small pieces, and add it to the flour mixture. Using a pastry blender or your fingertips, quickly cut the butter into the flour. The goal is to work the butter until the pieces are about the size of small peas. This creates pockets of steam for a flaky crust. Finally, let's bring the dough together. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing gently with a fork after each addition. Stop adding water as soon as the dough just comes together. Be careful not to overwork it, as this can make your crust tough. Once combined, divide the dough in half, form 2 flat discs, and chill them for at least 30 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.